Jai Gurudev, Namaskar friends. In this video, I am going to tell you about angles. An angle is a measure of rotation. Geometrically, an angle is a figure formed by two rays with a common initial point. The two rays are called arms of the angle and the common initial point is called vertex of the angle. Symbol for an angle. The symbol for an angle is naming an angle. Let A be a point on one arm of an angle, B be a point on the other arm of the angle, and C be the vertex of the angle. Then the full name of the angle is angle ACB and the short name of the angle is angle C, since C is the vertex of the angle. Note that if only one angle is formed at a vertex, say A, B, C, etc., it can be named in short as angle A, angle B, angle C, etc. But if more than one angles are formed at a vertex, then to avoid confusion, we have to name the angle completely. As you see that in the given figure, three angles are formed at the vertex C. So for clarity, the three angles formed at C will be named as angle ACB, angle BCD, and angle ACD. Measurement of angles. The most common unit for measuring an angle is degrees. In degree measures, an angle starts from 0 degree and takes the value 360 degree at completion of one rotation. Let one arm of the angle be horizontal and the other arm starts rotating about the vertex of the angle. At the beginning, the two arms coincide each other and the angle between them measures 0 degree. As the second arm starts rotating, the angle increases through values 1 degree, 2 degrees, 5 degrees, 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, 60 degrees, and so on. The angle becomes 90 degrees when the second arm directs upwards. When it rotates further, the angle increases through values 91 degrees, 92 degrees, 95 degrees, 100 degrees, 110 degrees, 120 degrees, 130 degrees, 140 degrees, and so on, and becomes 180 degrees when the second arm directs opposite to the first arm and both the arms make a straight line. As the second arm rotates further, the angle increases through values 181 degrees, 182 degrees, 185 degrees, 190 degrees, 200 degrees, 210 degrees, 220 degrees, and so on, and becomes 270 degrees when the second arm directs downwards. When the second arm moves further, it increases through values 271 degrees, 272 degrees, 275 degrees, 280 degrees, 290 degrees, 300 degrees, 310 degrees, 355 degrees, 358 degrees, 359 degrees, and finally takes the value 360 degrees when the second arm again coincides with the first arm after one complete rotation. This way, the second arm may continue its rotation and the angle may take values through 361 degrees, 362 degrees, 363 degrees, and so on. And this rotation may continue infinitely, adding 360-degree angle with each successive rotation. Now I am going to tell you about different types of angles. There are 7 different types of angles. Number 1. Zero angle. An angle of measure 0 degree is called a zero angle. In a zero angle, the two arms of the angle coincide each other. Number 2. Acute angle. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. For example, 30 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, etc. Number 3. Right angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree is called a right angle. A right angle is called so because its shape resembles the right symbol. Number 4. Obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. For example, 100 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree, etc. Number 5. Straight angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 180 degrees is called a straight angle. In a straight angle, the two arms of the angle are opposite to each other and are in a straight line. Number 6. Reflex angle. An angle which measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. For example, 200 degrees, 270 degrees, 300 degrees, etc. Number 7. Complete angle. An angle which measures exactly 360 degrees is called a complete angle. In a complete angle, the two arms coincide each other after completing one rotation. Note that reflex angles are named as reflex angle ACB. The complete angle is named as complete angle ACB. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon. Bye!